How to delete your recently played on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can delete or hide your recently played list on Spotify. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open up your Spotify app on your device. Once you are inside the Spotify app, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the top left corner. Now tap on the recents and you will be prompted to the page where you will find the list of recently played music. So even if you tap on the three dot icon, you won't notice the direct option to delete your recently played history. But don't worry, there are some few ways to manage or hide it. Now, to do that, simply go to the settings and privacy. Once you are in the settings page, simply tap on privacy and social. Now in this page, look for the option called private session and enable it. Enabling the private session temporarily hides your listening activity from followers and prevent it from being added to your recently played list. However, note that private session automatically turn off after the 6 hours. So that means you can only hide it temporarily. To turn off your listening activity, you can find the listening activity option on the same page. This is the option which allows to share what you are listening to your followers. You can simply toggle it off, and by doing that, you can simply turn off your listening activity. But if you specifically want to clear your recently played list, you can simply go back to your settings page. And once you are in the settings page, simply scroll down and tap on log out. And once you log back into your account, your recently played list will be cleared. And there you have it. These are the steps to manage or delete your recently played history on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.